If you're nearing retirement, you're probably wondering, how do I protect my hard-earned savings from the constant ups and downs of the market? With all the uncertainty in the financial world, it feels like just when you start to breathe easy, another crisis shakes things up. And that's not even counting the rising inflation rates or the instability in our banking system, all of which can erode your nest egg over time. It's enough to keep you up at night. But there is a strategy that has stood the test of time, one that provides a shield from these fluctuations. What if I told you that there's a way to protect your retirement from the chaos of the stock market and inflation? A way that's been used for centuries to preserve wealth, even through the most turbulent times in history. I'm talking about rolling a portion of your retirement savings into a gold IRA. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how one simple step could be the strategy that beats volatility, and the stories of real retirees who've done just that to secure their futures. Now let's talk about the current state of the economy. We've all seen it. Interest rates rising, stock market swings, and the very real possibility that your retirement savings could lose value if these trends continue. In fact, just last month, we saw a massive shift in the economy as inflation took hold and fears of a recession loomed. Markets are volatile, and banks are starting to feel the strain. Does this sound familiar? You're not alone. Just like many retirees across the country, people are turning to gold IRAs as a way to protect their savings. And if you're wondering whether it's the right choice for you, I want to share the story of someone just like you. Take Karen and Tom from Phoenix, Arizona. Both in their early 60s, they'd spent decades working hard. Karen as a teacher, and Tom as a small business owner. They'd built up a solid retirement portfolio over the years, but with market volatility and the fear of rising inflation, they began to worry that their savings wouldn't last. They wanted to make sure their hard-earned money wasn't just sitting in an account, exposed to the risks of the market. After some research and a conversation with an expert, they decided to roll over a portion of their 401k into a gold IRA. In fact, they rolled over $650,000 of their retirement savings into the account. Why gold? Well, gold has historically been a hedge against inflation and market downturns. When the stock market crashes or the dollar loses value, gold tends to hold its value, or even increase in price. In fact, throughout the last few decades, gold has often outperformed the stock market during periods of economic uncertainty. Now, you might be thinking, gold isn't going to work for me. Maybe I'll just stick with my current investments. But let me ask you this. How well are your current investments holding up when volatility strikes? Are they growing enough to keep pace with inflation? Here's why Karen and Tom's move to a gold IRA was a game changer. With their investment now in a gold IRA, they've seen their portfolio grow steadily over time, despite the stock market's unpredictable ups and downs. It's a shield that's protected them from both market crashes and inflation. What's the best part? They didn't have to sell their investments and pay steep taxes. They simply transferred a portion of their 401k or IRA into gold, and now they have a diversified retirement portfolio that's better prepared for whatever the future holds. They even feel confident that their children will inherit a stable legacy, one that's protected from future economic storms. Here's the best part. If you're ready to protect your own retirement savings like Karen and Tom, I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide with no obligation. It's packed with everything you need to understand how a gold IRA works, how it can help you protect your hard-earned savings, and what the next steps are to set one up. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, just a quick educational call to see if this strategy is a good fit for you and your future. Imagine this for a moment. What would it feel like to know that your retirement is safe, no matter what the market throws at us? To know that you're no longer relying on unstable stocks, bonds, or interest rates to carry you through your golden years? You worked hard to build this nest egg, and now it's time to make sure it works for you. Let us show you how. Click the link below to claim your free gold IRA guide and book your no-pressure call. There's nothing to lose, but everything to gain. Let's make sure your retirement stays as secure as possible, no matter what happens in the world. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, protecting your retirement is just one step away. We'll be with you every step of the way. Take that step now. Protect your future.